Hello, my dears. Very good morning to all of you. From the today, we are going to start our revision. Okay, we are going to start revision section C, writing section. Let's start. Number one, notice. So, notice is very important means of informing. Okay, notice can be formal. Okay, so notice plays very important role in everyone's life. Okay, especially a school's student. We can see notice a school, college, university, and government officials. Okay, by making notice we can inform to all, we can inform a large number of people, we can inform a big group of students, or we can inform all, each and every student. Okay, by making notice on notice board. Okay, so notice plays important role. Okay, and how to write notice? So we should write notice in box. Okay, notice is written in the box. Your word limit should not exceed 50 words. Okay, and notice can be formal, and you should write relevant topic in notice, not irrelevant. Okay, and we use passive voice while making notice in place of active voice. We use third person, okay, in place of first person. Then while making notice you must remember about date and time. Okay, you must mention day, date and time, and your notice should be accurate, okay, and lucid and concise. Okay, so we'll see about a notice. Okay, so first, number one, so what to do? So always keep the notice in the box. Okay, and while making notice, we write the name of institution, organization, or school on top in capital letter. Okay, then give some space, then we write word notice, okay, in capital letter. Okay, then on left hand side we mention date in a proper way. Okay, then after that in the middle again we write given theme or given subject in block letter. Okay, then we can start writing notice, and in notice body we must see three things. Okay, what, when, where, what is going on, what will be going on, and when means we should mention date, day and time, and where means we are going to check about the time. Then at last, if you have any query, okay, if you have any questions, so contact undersign. Then at last we write about undersign or designation. Okay, who is going to make notice? So like that we can prepare notice. Okay, so number one, we have a notice. You are Abhijit Bose, a school captain of Don Bosco school. You are being asked by the principal to draft a notice inviting all the prefect to attend meeting on a school election. Write a notice giving relevant detail. Okay, so you can easily prepare for this notice. Okay, and I already gave you notice on it, but today in revision I have a notice, okay, for showing you. You are Radhika, head of social science club of your school. Write a notice informing student of elementary classes, okay, about the forthcoming model making competition. Yes, model making competition to be held in the school. So you have model making competition in your school, so you are going to prepare notice. Okay, so first we should keep the notice in the box. Notice should be written in the box. Okay, we prepare the box. Then we write the name of institution, a school or organization in capital letter on the top, in middle. Okay, we write ABC school so and so. Then give space. Then you write word notice in capital letter. Number two. Okay, we write notice. Number three, on left hand side we mention date in a proper way. Okay. Number four, again in middle. Okay, in middle of the notice we write name of given theme, what is going on. Okay, model making competition in block letter. Okay, then we can deal with body. What, when, where. Remember three things: what, when, where. What is going on? Okay, when it is going on, what will be going on. Okay, when it will be going on, and where it should be going on. Okay, so uh, what, when, and where. So then this social science club is pleased to inform you. Social science club, okay, pleased to inform you, all the student of class 6 to 8, okay, that a model making competition is going to be organized in our school. Okay, so the detail are follow. What? Okay, model making competition. When? So you should mention date and time. Where? You should mention venue. Okay, then theme, okay, about the theme of competition. Then at last you write, uh, for encouraging students, you are giving, okay, school is giving reward, okay, you will be rewarded. So if you get first position, so you will be rewarded of thousand of rupees, okay, and for further detail contact undersign. Then at last you write name of undersign Radhika, okay, head girl, social science club, section A, 12th, art, section A, like that. So you can easily deal with notice. Okay, next we will see. So next, message. Okay, we talk about the message. So message can be formal, informal, and message is also very important. Message is important part of informing. Okay, message is also another important type of way of communication, mode of communication. Message is a short composition. Okay, and if suppose we want to talk to someone and give someone message, but if the person is not there, so we can convey our message someone else, and that someone can convey our message to the particular person to whom we want to talk. Okay, so message can be formal, informal. We make message in box. Okay, message is written in the box. Your word limit should not exceed 50 words. Okay, and and if we talk about, you should talk about relevant topic. Your sentence should be short and well organized. Okay, so let's see message making. Okay, so message is also important part of communication or giving information, okay, to someone, and it is a short composition. Okay, and we write message to someone to whom we are unable to speak or talk for some reason. Okay, so we have a message. Okay, uh, you are Anita, you have an appointment with your friend Srasti to see a movie. Okay, you are going with your friend to watch movie 3 p.m. Okay, but there is a work, okay, related to your father. You wanted to take your father for urgent checkup. Okay, so before leaving you decided to write a message for your friend. Okay, you want to say that I am going to father's checkup, you bring, okay, you should buy a ticket, you arrange ticket, okay, and I will meet you there, like that. So write the message in the box. Okay, message is written in the box. Then on the top of the message, in middle on the top of the message, write word message in capital letter, and it should be underlined. Okay, number two, here we should mention time. Okay, so on the right hand side we mention time, then on left hand side we mention date. Okay, then below the date we write the name of receiver. Okay, below the date we write the name of receiver. Then after that we should deal. Okay, who talk. Okay, here while making body of any message, remember three things. Okay, who called, number two, why he called, number three, follow if required. Okay, so while making body of message, remember three things: who called, why he called, and follow if required. Okay, so I have to take my father for an urgent medical checkup. Okay, you write, I have to take my father for urgent medical checkup. Okay, so due to which I will not be able to go for the movie today 3 p.m. 3 p.m. it is not possible. Okay, so please book movie ticket for 5 p.m. show. First you decided to go for 3 p.m. Show, but you are going for medical checkup for your father. So now you decided to shift the 3 p.m. Show to 5 p.m. So you wanted to make a message to buy ticket for 5 p.m. show. Okay, then at last you mention your name. Anita means name of sender. Okay, so it was about message. We'll see email is an electronic mail. Okay, nowadays we are living in a science age. Okay, and nowadays computer, mobile, palm top, laptop is very important means for giving message. Okay, it is very quickest, it is the quickest and shortest mean to send message, to inform somebody. It is very fastest means to inform, okay, somebody, someone, or a group. Okay, so now here we should remember two things: header and body. Two things we should deal: header and body. Okay, in making email. Okay, so while making email, remember one thing. Okay, Here on the top, okay, if we talk about the header, when we go home page on an email, so what we can see there? Okay, so number one, header, number two, body. So in header we have given 4 column. Okay, to CC BCC subject, to CC BCC subject. Two means email address of first receiver. Okay, to CC email address of second receiver, BCC email address of third receiver. Okay, if required. And subject means subject whatever we have given. Okay, the main theme or main subject, so we can write to CC, BCC and subject. So these 4 column we write in header. Okay, and email is an electronic mail, and we can send message. Okay, by it we can send message, image, link, file. Okay, and pictures, so we can send together our message. So it's very important, and we can send not only one person, we can send 1 2 3 or more than persons, okay, by using email. So it is also the fastest means of informing in nowadays, in present time. Okay, so in header we have seen to CC, BCC and subject. Okay, so two means email address of first receiver, CC email address of second receiver, BCC email address of third receiver if required, and 4 subject means given theme. Okay, given subject to us. Then now it's time to dealing in body. So while making body, remember some things. Okay, so on the top, first you start from specific salutation. Okay, dear sir, respected ma'am. Okay, in body you start with salutation. Okay, then your body can be formal and informal. Okay, you should write emails body like as we write letter. Okay, then at last we conclude our email. Okay, we conclude our email undersign or designation. Okay, then at last also we just write some salutation, our name, our email ID, mobile number, address. Okay, so you can conclude the email. So header and body. In body on the top you address first, respectable sir and madam. Then you should deal in body means you should write the body formal and informal way like letters writing. And at last conclusion. In conclusion you again just write salutation. Okay, conclusion and salutation. So we have given order for 100 copy UGC NET education. Order for 100 copy UGC NET education. So I have mentioned in my last video to CC BCC subject. Okay, so we have subject order for 1000 copy. Then respected sir and madam. Okay, as per the discussion over phone, we have discussed on the phone already. Okay, I needed 100 copy of UGC. Okay, so please deliver us at earliest. Okay, and regarding the payment also you just tell us. So we will also want to pay you as soon as possible. Okay, and hoping for pleasant and long business relationship with you like that. Then at last, thanks and regards. You write your name, your publication name, mobile number, email ID, date. Okay, you can mention. So it was about email. So email has 2 body. Okay, number 1 header, number 2 main body. In header 2 CC BCC subject. 2 email address of first receiver, CC email address of second receiver, email address of third receiver. Number 4 subject means given subject. And in body, number 1 respected sir and madam, then formal and informal body, okay, like letters, then at last conclusion and salutation. Okay, so it was about email. Then if we talk about paragraph writing, so paragraph writing also most important, my dear. Okay, paragraph writing also most important for informing, for giving message, for conveying message, for showing about the subject. So if we talk about feature of paragraph writing, so it is must. Central idea is must and should be impressive and should be strong. Then unity, okay, logical, lucid, division and length. Okay, so we should remember all the things while writing paragraph writing. So in paragraph writing we have importance of homework. Okay, in paragraph writing we have subject, importance of homework. So everyone understand importance of homework, huh? And we have given some clues like why is homework important. Homework is important, okay, to maintain our ability in 8 house and at home we must learn about the things which were going on in school. So we should write, we should learn, we should read, so it increases our knowledge, it adds our capability or capacity. Okay. And homework is must to maintain our learning and study power or energy. It makes us energetic. Okay. And we should learn many things. Okay. So homework makes us knowledge oriented. That's why we need to do homework. What parents and children feel about it. Okay. Then advantages of doing homework, then its contribution in a child development. So you know everything about homework because you are doing homework at your house. Okay. So I have mentioned already in on a screen, and I have given you in study material, check study material, importance of homework. Okay. So homework plays important role in every student's life, and the homework doing is the other stage than a school. Okay. Schooling, the first is schooling in a school, you are spending time, and second schooling means you are doing homework at your house. Okay. And parent, many student or parent what feel, they feel that homework is overburden, it's unnecessary. Okay. And but it is very necessary, huh? If we want to improve child mental and social ability, so a child should do homework. Okay. And it helps in revision, it helps in organizing, observing, analyzing. Okay. It increases these all things. Okay. And homework is always knowledge oriented, my friend, so you must do homework. So it was about paragraph writing. Okay. Then if we talk about article, okay, number 5, article. So I have given you, article is most important mean nowadays. Everyone is fond of reading article, and you can see different aspect of article. Article brings what name, awareness in our society. Okay. So article making is a creative work. Okay. So how to write article? First, write article should write in box. On the top of the box in middle you should write title and heading. Okay. And your title and heading should be in slogan or rhymatic form to make it impressive. Then you should write byline. Byline means you are writing the name of your byline means you are writing the name of writer. Okay. Name of writer, byline. Then give the space. Then body. In body, number 1 introductory para. In number 1 introductory para, number 2 main body. In introductory para we write about the reason. In main body we write about effect and affect. Then in conclusion we want to convey message for society. Then at last, yes, we can conclude our para, our article. So what article I have given you? Mobile, a boon or threat. Mobile, a boon or threat. Yes, mobile, a boon or threat. So everyone is operating mobile in your house, huh? So you must understand about it. Okay, you know about. So we are watching the mobile, so it should be for particular time period. Okay, we should watch only knowledge oriented thing. We should not watch extra and violentic, okay, things in mobile. And you should not, your eyes should not get exhausted or tired. Okay, in watching mobile. Sometimes student suffer from migraine pain due to overusing mobile. So you should not overuse the mobile. Okay. You should use mobile for particular time period and for learning only. Okay. So, and do not mobile full day. Do not watch mobile full day. Okay. So when you learn, okay, and when it is necessary to use, so that time you should follow. Okay. That time you should use mobile. Otherwise your eyes gets problem. Okay. After that, maybe you will lose your eyesight also, and you should suffer from you can be suffer from migraine also. So that's why always use mobile for knowledge orienting purpose. Okay, not to overuse mobile. Okay. So I have just already shown you on here, and in my last classes already I have shown everything about the subject. Okay.